taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Ricardo!
Antonia!
Augusto! Palhaço Ricardo Augusto! Antonia! Vai cozinhar! Filipino!
Yeah, guys. Okay. Welcome to our kitchen from We Love Food World with
Palhaço Ricardo Augusto!
and Antonia Septimo. Okay, guys. Today I'm gonna make it. A taho is from Philippine recipe.
Wow!
This is really good taho. Good for you. Really healthy and good for everyone. So let's go.
Vamos cozinhar! Na cozinha! Semos!
Fogo!
Fogo!
Hi guys, okay, this is the recipe for my taho. Okay guys, meron tayong tipo pa. Ayan, sago kung tawagin in Philippines. Meron tayong brown sugar, cornstarch, at soya beans. Ayan. Okay. Lagyan natin siya dito. Make this. And then very easy guys. This is a cornstarch. Thickness. Haluin lang natin siya, okay? And this one, I'm gonna boil in 15 minutes. And the sugar, the brown sugar caramelized, yeah? Okay, guys. Okay, people. Really easy to make taho, Philippine style. This is nationality Philippine. Okay, guys. Steam lang natin siya. Yan. Steam ko. Steam natin siya. And put this one to make sure the water not coming up.
Hola people! Do you enjoy what Antonia's doing so far? Antonia is good in the kitchen. She does delicious food for everybody around the world. I'm the clown Ricardo Augusto here in London. In the kitchen, we are the world's best couple channel. There is no better channel than our channel. We are the couple, you know, Ricardo Augusto, the clown. Antonio Septimo from Philippines.
Okay guys, mix natin siya, otherwise it's gonna be separated, okay? Mix lang natin. Okay guys, that's, ayan. Love you guys. I'm gonna caramelize the sugar, okay? So I'm gonna put the sugar in here. Boil lang natin. Very easy. Still steamer. Wow. I love taho. Taho. I love this, guys. My tipukwa is already done. Wow, amazing. Okay guys, look at this. Hi guys, okay, this is taho. I'm gonna present now. Taho! It's look yummy. Yan, mainit pa, people. Kasi. Okay. Ayan. Taho. Taho. Wow, yummy, huh? Sander. Oh my god. So guys. Taho! Isa lang na. Another one? I'm gonna put another one, guys. Look at that taho. Yummy and hot. Very hot. Masarap po ito. Masarap tuwing umaga. Yummy and delicious. Okay, people. Tipukwa. This one is tipukwa. Hi guys, this is taho, Philippines. Good for everyone. Okay, I'm gonna try taho. Mimik lang natin yan. Masarap to. Delicious. I love it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you like my taho. Good for the early in the morning before your breakfast. Thank you guys. Love you all. God bless. Bye. Taho, Philippine style. Please subscribe and like my taho, people. Love you. Please subscribe. Bye now.
Tiago Silva, sabes o que é este, Tiago Silva? Olha este, é? Sabes o que é este? Isto aqui é um squirrel em Londres, é? Olha, Tiago Silva, é? Já viste um squirrel, Tiago Silva? Sander, say hello.
Hello, squirrel.
Look, um squirrel e o Sander. Uau, e saltou para a árvore, é? Tiago Silva, viste um squirrel aqui em Londres, é?
1, 2, 3.
Ricardo Augusto, olha dois ali, hein? Dois squirrels ali. Olha ver, hein? Oh, três! Olha três, hein? Ali na árvore.
Sander.
Que lindo! Oh, esconderem-se, fugiram, Ricardo Augusto, hein? Eles fugirem. Tinha três, olha um, está ali, hein? Está escondido ali.
Mas no
Sai para a rua. Agora já não consigo ver. Esconde-se.
taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food